Misizulu, mzala wami, awumameli. Misizulu, mzala wami, ngakutshela ngathi yeka lo tshwala nalama drugs azokubulala. Yeka lo tshwala nalama drugs. Njalo nje mangumamela ukukhuluma uhlala ushushu, umahlala eshushu. Ngakubona lapha no King Charles. Uso umile mara ulele. So ngathi mudle imali yakhe. Kubona ukuthi hayi no uphelile ndoda. So Misizulu, ngakutshela mina, you are not at peace. Awuna peace Misizulu. And you are not humble like you used to when I lived with you here in the United States. You were very handsome, humble man, very considerate, just a cool kid. Nyalujikile wawisilwane manje. You're fighting your sisters, you're fighting your brothers, you are not at peace, Mrs. Zulu. I know bakubangisa, niyabanga. But the most important thing, Mrs. Zulu, is peace. I live in peace, America. Angishuswa next. And I'm not chasing money. I don't chase the dollar. And live my life and enjoy my life and take pleasure in some of the most simplest things. You're worth $1 billion US. You can lose your life any minute. You're in the ICU from what I hear. Because Mrs. Zulu, you're rough with your life. You must eat well, you must sleep well, and you must be at peace. And be good to your people and not look for shortcuts. Ulingisa Mswati. Mswati is running up and down, up and down, up and down with these Arabs. Chinese, Indian, Pakistani, selling the land of the Swazi people. We are doing the same thing, man. Ngibona lama Arabs niyehla uyanyuka beyehla njengomkhenkethe njengomakhosetive. Misizulu, I will pray for you. I will put a prayer that you get well soon. You get out of this ICU and you heal. But from now on,